Welcome to our channel. Sending money internationally can be done through various services that offer better rates and faster transfers than traditional banks. Here's how to do it efficiently. Step 1. Choose an international money transfer service like Wise, PayPal, Western Union, or MoneyGram. Compare fees, exchange rates, and transfer speeds to find the best option for your needs. Step 2. Create an account on your chosen platform by providing your email, phone number, and verifying your identity with a government-issued ID. This one-time verification process is required for security and regulatory compliance. Step 3. Enter the recipient's information, including their full name, address, and banking details or mobile number. Ensure all information matches their official documents exactly to avoid transfer delays. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to send and select the currencies. The platform will show you the exchange rate, fees, and the exact amount the recipient will receive in their local currency. Step 5. Choose your payment method, such as bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Bank transfers typically have lower fees but take longer, while card payments are faster but more expensive. Step 6. Review all transaction details carefully, including the recipient information, amount, fees, and estimated delivery time. Confirm the transfer and complete the payment. Step 7. Track your transfer using the provided tracking number. Most services send notifications when the money is sent and received. Share the tracking information with your recipient so they know when to expect the funds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.